Bollywood this week, friends. The first movie which we're going to review this week is none other than Vishal and director Miskin's much awaited movie Thupari Walan the Detective. Just imagine you going into Thupari Walan feeling that this movie is going to be Sherlock Holmes, the Desi version of Sherlock Holmes, and when you come out, you are confused whether to call this movie a Sherlock Holmes or an actor Vishal's Rambo. Because in the climax, what Vishal has done is absolutely stupendous. I mean, the way he fights the villains on a motor speedboat, his legs tied, and how he does kung fu and martial arts with certain, Chinese actors in a Chinese restaurant. Vishal has played this role absolutely fantastic. I mean, the breakdown scene in the anti-climax of this movie will leave you speechless when he shouts "Ayyo" in the movie, and the way he solves these cases. I mean, the cases look very, very complicated and literally open and shut cases, but the way Vishal uses his brain right from the start of the movie, when a small kid comes with just 837 rupees to, find the killers of his doggy, with a bullet had hit the dog, to the scene where Vishal goes into quantum physics, lightning physics, and finds books in the library, right from catching a pickpocketing gang and to solving the biggest murder mystery which had taken place, and from getting an applause from the city police, including the commissioner. Truly speaking, Miskin's Thupari Walan is a movie which should be not reviewed by Tamil critics for spoiling it. A. B. Do not spoil, Miskin's Thupari Walan because this movie is an absolute cracker. It is not everyone's cup of tea, and people who understand cinema, many people will go and watch and tell, oh, he's taken 4-5 Korean movies and mashed it into one and brought this project out. No, guys, this is an absolute Miskin classic. I was literally stunned in the climax in this movie. The way an old man literally stabbed to death, does not think of saving himself first, but goes to his wife who's suffering from coma and takes a pillow and kills her because he knows after he is going to die, no one is going to take care of him. Actor Vinay Rai, I have never seen him before on screen. This is his first movie which I am seeing, and Vinay Rai is gonna be one of the most coolest and stylish villains I've ever seen in Tamil cinema. I mean, the way he brutally takes a chopper, goes into the bathroom, cuts some man into half and orders coffee from Andrea Jermia is absolutely a delight to watch him on screen. His clean shaved, gelled hair, lips as black as coal and tartar, but his appearance on screen is immaculate. I mean, whenever he orders coffee on screen, just be ready for a murder to take place. Talking about Andrea Jermia's scene, I won't mention the actor's name, of going into a hotel room and putting Viagra into a person's drink and stabbing him to death, looking the perfect female assassin, and the chase sequence on the motorbikes on the streets of Tamil Nadu. Epic, excellently shot scenes. I mean, I have to give full marks to director Miskin. Miskin is a wizard. Miskin is a genius. Miskin is just legend stuff. And with Thupari Walan, he's gonna prove it, and audiences will love this movie. Today is a Thursday. It's a working day. I know, Vishal is not capable of bringing an audience on a working day, but let me tell you one thing. This movie, its word of mouth, will go and make audiences come back for the movie. Many critics are gonna slam this movie. I mean, the Tamil critics didn't leave Vivegam. Forget Vishal's movie Thupari Walan. This movie is absolutely delightful. Talking about Simran in this movie. Simran in a small role with her husband dying in the start. Right from the first scene where a certain person gets electrocuted and literally goes into ashes, to the scene before the interval where Simran is shouting her lungs out, at Vishal, literally slapping him left to right. Simran's cameo is very good. I mean, I wanted her to come in the second part, but sadly she does not come. And right from Vishal to Simran scene and the music of a certain Arol Corelli, I mean, it does not look you're watching in Tamil cinema. Forget Tamil cinema. Music and BGM like this have not been used in Indian cinema for ages. And Jai Prakash, in a role of his lifetime. Don't miss Jai Prakash literally laughing and dying in death in his car when his driver and Jai Prakash both are are, given nitrous oxide, and they literally die laughing. That scene is a Miskin masterpiece. Literally speaking, I mean, I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name correct, Miskin. This director is an absolute gem. Anu Emmanuel's entry in the movie, where there is a subway scene where they are shown as pickpocketers, is an absolute classic. Usually such scenes are not well crafted and portrayed on screen, but the scene where Anu Emmanuel, a kid and a girl, both work in trios in a subway, and how Vishal and his friend Prasanna go and catch them, that how they take the money, remove the money, and put the wallet back into the people from whom they have robbed, is absolutely shown fantastically. But the winner for me in this movie is Uncle K. Bhagyaraj. The old guy who that scene where there is a certain nail and is putting a deadly injection in that nail. The artistry in the starting of the movie in a theater where he pokes it into an ass of a certain inspector, and that inspector collapses the next day in the police station, is absolutely cracker. But let me tell you, actor Shaji, who plays the assistant commissioner in this movie, the climax scene where he tells the villain, Hocha, you are fucked. That scene was a delight. I mean, right from the movie, touted to be as a Desi Sherlock Holmes, to Vishal taking this movie into a kung fu hustle and taking it into a Rambo in the climax. And the climax is like, I was numb. I mean, jungle, motor speedboats, Nigerian African sharpshooters, Vinay Rai, and this is absolutely cracker. I'm not going to give any spoilers in this movie. I'm not going to even lay out the beans of what this movie is all about. So friends, what is Thuparivalan all about? Let's start the review. Well, friends, the movie starts with Simran's husband, sitting on a terrace and is electrocuted very badly and dies on the spot. Next day, Inspector with his family goes to the cinema hall, and while buying popcorn, certain man, teases the wife, to which the man goes there, and a certain old Uncle K. Bhagyaraj pokes him with a nail, causing his death. This scene aside, but the first scene with the entry of, Vishal with a camera placed on his head, or I mean maybe on his chest, he's roaming around the house with his friend Prasanna going behind him with a green tea, and how he tells that we don't have an interesting case, we are short of case. And the scene where before a small boy, an uncle comes and gives him 10 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 15 lakh rupees to solve a case of a missing son. But Vishal figures it out that this is a case of honor killing. That scene sets the tone, and how this movie moves forward is absolutely fantastic. The story moves forward, and now Vishal and Prasanna one day spot the heroine Anu Emmanuel and two kids, in a subway, underground subway, robbing and pickpocketing. That scene is world class. I mean, literally speaking, the next day the movie starts. A small kid in search of his dog gives 837 rupees, and how the investigation of Vishal on a beachy sand takes place. That when he goes with the bullet to the investigation office, they tell such a strong bullet cannot hit a dog and come back like this. This had ricocheted with something. So what had happened? That scene where he brings the kids, with lanterns and give them money all night. They're sitting with lantern and they find out a pal. Pal means a thief, in the night. That scene is absolutely fantastic. I mean, being a dentist myself, I know forensic odontology is absolutely a kick-ass subject, and how by just a teeth you can find out the person's age, the person when the teeth was removed, and did it have blood or not. So that scene where Vishal, poses as a CID officer and with Prasanna goes to a dentist and finds out that teeth was not a real pal, it was an artificial zirconia teeth. And how, Technodent, a company in Chennai, traces them, and they find out the address of that person. That scene where they go to people in the gym, open their mouth, check their teeth, in the bedroom when person is having sex, he goes in that scene and checks the teeth, is absolutely a Miskin masterclass. I mean, they finally zero down a guy who's actually not there in his house, and they plan to come in his house the very next day. So friends, the story moves forward, and how we come to know that now Andrea Jermia and a gang is operating. So friends, enters Vinay John. Excellent character, John Vijay. John Vijay's entry, stylish glasses, floral shirt, and comes with a sofa and gives a, contract to people. K. Bhagyaraj, Vinay, Andrea German, and Bald Assassin and the bodybuild guy. That scene where all of them cook rice and eat it so silently. That scene is absolutely fantastic. And how the person Vishal is searching is in the refrigerator of these people who are contract killers. Absolutely a delight to watch on screen. So, friends, is the first murder connected with all these people? Well, that we come to know later in this movie. After that, the story moves forward, and how one day the sofa uncle gives them, obviously Vijay John gives them 30 crore rupees for the project, and how the man in the photo with the artificial teeth, the stockbroker, and now the sofa guy all are connected, and how now the people come to know that Vishal and Prasanna are the people, are the detectives who are searching them. And when in one scene in a building, Vishal's fight with the mouth organ. There are three action sequences in the movie. The Vishal scene in the building, under construction building with the mouth organ in his mouth is absolutely world class crack. I don't know who's done the action, but that is absolutely fantastic. And how when Vishal and Prasanna break into that stockbroker's house and they find out a certain book about quantum lightning physics, and they come to know that the thunder which was created in the starting causing the death of Simran's husband was an artificial thunder. The interval point is absolutely fantastic. The scene, how you showing Vinay Rai, killing that same person, the stockbroker, literally cutting him into pieces in the bathroom. Andrea Jermia literally, giving him coffee. That scene is absolutely fantastic. But the interval scene when Miskin directs Vinay Rai in a scene where there is a pan and he breaks, minimum 10 to 15 eggs in that pan, and the camera is moving 360. That is world class cinema. These things no Tamil critic and reviewer will tell you. That's my guarantee and challenge, because they just judge the book by its cover and come out and say a blabber rubbish about a movie, because these scenes are legendary scenes, friends. I mean, the scene with that egg breaking scene on a pan is absolutely fantastic, and the interval scene is a cracker. Till interval, you're confused what happens and what's not happening. But friends, I'm not going to spoil your mood, what happens, who's the killer, but certain scenes need special mention, especially the Chinese restaurant fight scene. I mean, that scene can literally give competition to any Bruce Lee movie, any Jackie Chan movie. I know people will be laughing that this guy is crazy, but literally Vishal in that white shirt and black tie has fought epic, excellently manic scene. I can chase him, but the bike chase sequence, Andrea Jermia and the Bald Assassin, and with Vishal. I have told two times Vijay, I don't know why. Vishal, in the bike behind is absolutely a delight to watch. And the chemistry between Anu Emmanuel, how it picks up, with the fight in the starting, he going and literally throwing Anu Emmanuel's father from the building. That is also very nice. And how in the end Anu Emmanuel and Vishal get close to each other, but Vishal is a very a guy who does not give much importance. She works in his house, gives him green tea. But throughout the movie, they are having a cat and mouse relationship. He's shouting at her, and she's already listening because obviously she loves Vishal. That part of the movie is also very nice. People get relaxation from the fast events which are taking place in the movie. But the conclusion is mind numbing. The old uncle K. Bhagyaraj, how they put laughing gas into the car of Jay Prakash. That scene is a masterclass scene. You have to see that scene to believe me. And the climax in the jungle will bowl you over. Literally, the body of Vishal is looking absolutely lean and fantastic. All in all, Thupari Walan is literally Miskin's masterpiece. The film will keep you gripped with its suspense, how Vishal solves the lightning thunder case and the murder of an inspector, and how from a murder mystery to the getting this case solved in the last half an hour becoming a thriller experience with fights and actions never seen before in Tamil cinema. All in all, this movie is a classic cinema. You should not miss this week at the box office. Coming to the work in the movie, Prasanna as a friend is rock solid. Is given a very decent performance in the movie. Vishal is a true delight. He looks like the character. The scenes where he's kept the book on his head. He's sitting in a sannyasi asan, in a garden where the murder investigation is going on. Right from getting his costume right in the climax, making a nicely beefed body. Vishal is perfect for this character. Simran in short role is very nice. Andrea Jomia's hairstyle, her leather jackets, her literally accent, a crying scene with Vinay Rai. That scene is absolutely fantastic in the movie. Jay Prakash, John Vijay, Anu Emmanuel, Vinay, Bhagyaraj, Shaji all have done a fantastic role. But just for Miskin, I give Thupariwalan nothing less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is going to be one of the best thriller mystery movies ever to hit Indian cinema. So friends, if you like this review, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is me, Amir Ansari, signing off. I'll see you in another episode. Till then, as always say, stay cool, man.